In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ADD discount in Zoho Invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your totals so the discount shows up correctly on your customer's invoice. Start on your Zoho Invoice dashboard and make sure you're in the right organization and logged in with permission to edit invoices. On the left sidebar, open the Sales section. This is where all your revenue-related modules live, including quotes, invoices, and payments. From there, choose Invoices to bring up your full list. You can use search or filters to quickly find the specific invoice you want to adjust. Then click it to open the invoice details page. With the invoice open, look for the Edit option, typically near the top of the page. Click Edit to switch the invoice into an editable form. This view lets you change fields like dates, item lines, notes, terms, and most importantly for this video, the discount. Scroll to the summary area, usually near the bottom right of the invoice, where you'll see the subtotal, any taxes, shipping if applicable, and the discount field. Depending on your organization's settings, the discount may be entered as a flat amount or a percentage. If your screen shows an amount field, type the exact discount you want to deduct from the invoice total. If it shows a percentage, enter the percentage you intend to offer. Either way, as soon as you enter the discount, watch the totals recalculate. You should see the subtotal adjust. Taxes update if your region calculates tax after discount and a new total that reflects the reduction. Before you finalize, take a brief moment to review the invoice line items and make sure the discount you're entering is meant to be applied to the full invoice rather than specific products. This approach applies a single invoice level discount. If you need to be more granular at the item level, just note that's handled differently, but for a whole invoice discount, you're in the right place. Once everything looks good, click Save. You'll return to the invoice view with the updated totals and the discount clearly displayed. If the invoice had already been sent to a customer, remember that saving updates the invoice on your end. You can resend or share the updated copy so your customer sees the new total. That's it. You opened sales, went into invoices, selected the invoice, clicked edit, entered the discount, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.